Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Christophe Kabaczynski, working for the company Be Optimize here in Belgium. And I'm going to present you a small dashboard I recently created and regarding a job analysis. Basically, here is my dashboard. It contains all the job opportunities available in Belgium in the past 1 year, and this dashboard is interactive with some filters because you have a lot of job opportunities, so I prefer to put a lot of filters to easy access to the data. But basically you have filters on the time frame, you have filters also on in Brussels or not in Brussels, and after you can apply a filter depending on the job type, the source, and after on the list you can click in order to view the job, but you can also click here in order to view all the jobs of that specific company. Finally, in the bottom, I have all the jobs opportunities per company for here SaaS jobs, for Python jobs, and for data scientist jobs. Basically, how does it work? It's not rocket science, in fact. The dashboard itself is complex because I have a lot of filters, but basically to get the information I used several job search engines, and one of them is called Trabajo. Basically you put what you are looking for, SaaS, where, in Brussels, and you click search, and this generates you the list of job opportunities. Super. You have also a button where you can specify an email address and ask to get the results every day or every week into your mailbox. That's what I did. I did it for 4 different job search engines, and all my jobs are collected into a functional mailbox. You can click this one, data engineering Brussels. I can click, I can show you here, I have the name, I can now maybe here open the image, okay, super. So all the jobs are structured in the same way for Trabajo, but for the others they are also structured in a specific way. So what I do after, in Python, basically I created 2 scripts. One is I have imported a couple of modules. IMAP tools is interesting to get informations available on my mailbox, and Beautiful Soup is interesting if you want to parse your email. I don't go into the details, but basically here I created a big loop for all the items of my mailbox. And not all of them. I put also a limit, number of days or number of emails to parse. And then, depending on the source, I'm using here some regular expressions. If I have a source Trabajo, depending on the subject, if I have a subject data engineer or SaaS expert, then this function or this function will be executed, and the result will be exported into a CSV. And this is used to collect statistics if my parsing was successful or not. Like this, I can do some fine-tuning. But basically, Trabaggio analysis job, if I open this function, that's this one, what I do, in fact, I parse the email from this line to this line. If I come back, alert emploi data engineer in Bruxelles, this corresponds to this. Alert emploi data engineer in Bruxelles, that's always the same line here. And in the bottom, I have always the same line as well, voir plus d'offres d'emploi. So, I ask Python to extract from this first line to the other line. From this line to the other line. And then, I'm using Beautiful Soup, and Beautiful Soup is reading the HTML page and generate a big list with all the words of my text. So what I do, if I have a blank item in my list, I remove it. Or if I have some keywords such as candidature facile, temporarily remote, télétravail, and so on. So all the keywords I'm not interested in, I remove them, so that at the end I have exactly 3 lines per job opportunity. The first line is the job name. I have after the company and the location, and then I have I don't know what. And here what I will ask, every 3 lines extract me the first line and the second line, because the emails are always in the same structure. Okay, so here basically I ask with this algorithm for all the jobs, extract me the first line and the second line. Then what I did, I put it into a data frame. I remove also the name I'm not interested in, here again. Okay, it's a huge, but okay. And then I create the URL of the job, and I push everything into a CSV file, because this information is also available on my website, so I'm transferring everything into FTP. And once I have collected all the information, I push it into an SQLite database, and I can maybe show you this SQLite database. That's this thing. It contains all my jobs, but structured in the way I want for my dashboard. So the date, the source, the job title, the location, the type. I have also the URL. This one is the URL for the website, and this one is the URL for the dashboard, because there are 2 kinds of URL. Super. So on a daily basis, I screen the past 100 days of jobs, and then job analysis, and then I display everything into the dashboard, thanks to also a couple of queries and filters and so on. Okay, so that's the idea. Not that difficult at the end. Thank you, bye-bye.